Welcome to a hidden gem nestled in the heart of Bulgaria, where the melody of the Cherni Lom River harmonizes with the whispering pines of majestic mountains. As I stand amidst the enchanting walnut garden surrounding this property, I can't help but wonder, could this be the canvas for your dream home? A sanctuary where the beauty of nature converges with the comfort of modern living. Picture this, a house with a solid stone foundation and handmade double brick walls, standing as a testament to both craftsmanship and durability. The scent of pinewood forests embraces the air, promising tranquil moments and inspiring creativity for artists captivated by the untouched virgin nature. With proximity to fishing lakes, it's a haven for those seeking serene landscapes, bird watchers, and nature enthusiasts alike. This idyllic village, strategically located along the main road to Veliko Tarnovo and Ruse, offers not just a house, but a lifestyle. Imagine strolling through the walnut garden, breathing in the clean air, and feeling the connection to the land. A quaint food store, a cozy pub, a post office, and a medical office ensure convenience, while regular bus transport opens pathways to neighboring towns and cities. The house itself is a harmonious blend of tradition and modernity, boasting a nicely tiled kitchen dining room, a welcoming living room, 2 cozy bedrooms, and a recently upgraded bathroom. The solid infrastructure includes electricity, running water, broadband internet, GSM coverage, and satellite television. Additional farm buildings, currently used for wood storage and gardening tools, hint at the potential for a small, organic farm on the spacious 700 square meters regulated plot. A mere 45 kilometers south of Ruse, this property beckons you to a village embraced by hills, forests, and the healing embrace of nature. Have you ever dreamed of waking up to the sound of a flowing river just 300 meters away? Can you imagine the joy of exploring nature reserves and taking leisurely walks along the riverbanks? The advantages of this village are not confined to its scenic surroundings. It provides essential amenities like shops, a restaurant, and regular bus transport, ensuring that you're connected to the outside world. The property's proximity to the Ostritsa cave and the river capital of Bulgaria, Ruse, adds a touch of adventure to everyday life. The land accompanying this property is not just a plot, it's a promise of self-sufficiency. Fertile and 100% freehold, it invites you to cultivate crops, fruits, and vegetables, creating a haven free from chemicals and GMOs. With the property available for sale in cash or on a flexible pay monthly plan, the opportunity to turn this canvas into your own masterpiece is within reach. As I stand here surrounded by the stunning nature, I can't help but ask, can you envision yourself making this picturesque set in your home? How would you utilize this fertile land, and what dreams would you bring to life in this Bulgarian paradise? Don't miss the chance to seize this opportunity. Contact us now to explore this property and witness the beauty of Bulgaria. Leave a comment below sharing your thoughts, and be sure to like this video and subscribe for more updates on captivating properties like this. Your dream home awaits!